Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Rewards in Rocket League. Alpha Rewards are among the most prestigious and valuable items in the game, including the iconic Alpha Boost, Alpha Cap, and Goldstone wheels. These items were originally given to players who participated in the game's early alpha and beta testing phases. Since they are no longer obtainable through gameplay, the easiest and only method to acquire them now is through direct player trading. This method requires understanding their value and finding willing traders. Alpha Rewards are a set of exclusive cosmetic items that were granted to players who participated in the very early alpha and beta testing phases of Rocket League. These include the highly coveted Gold Rush Boost, often called Alpha Boost, the Gold Cap Topper, known as Alpha Cap, and the stunning Goldstone wheels. There's also a Gold Nugget antenna. These items are not just rare, they represent a piece of Rocket League history and are among the most expensive items in the game's trading economy. The most practical way to get Alpha Rewards today is through player-to-player trading. Since these items are no longer dropped or available in the item shop, you must trade for them. This typically means accumulating a significant amount of in-game credits or other high-value items that a seller might want. You'll need to engage with the Rocket League trading community, often through dedicated websites or Discord servers, to find players willing to part with their alpha items. When trading for Alpha Rewards, preparation is key. Always research the current market value of items like Alpha Boost, which can be worth tens of thousands of credits, to ensure fair trades. Consider using a trusted middleman for extremely high-value transactions to protect both parties. Patience is crucial, as these items are rare and deals may not appear instantly. Finally, always double-check the trade window before confirming to prevent any mistakes or potential scams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.